Welcome back to GearFlux Garage, your source for expert breakdowns of the hottest metal on the market. Today, we're dissecting the 2026 Hyundai Tucson, focusing on its crucial mid-cycle refresh. We'll show you how Hyundai is refining its famously radical design and doubling down on the tech and space that make it a segment disruptor. Hyundai's Tucson has always been bold, but for 2026, the biggest change isn't on the outside, it's the cabin's complete digital overhaul. The polarizing analog gauge cluster is gone, replaced by a sophisticated panoramic dual 12.3-inch screen setup that brings the Tucson's tech squarely into luxury territory. This move, combined with the welcomed return of physical buttons for essential climate control, shows Hyundai is listening to buyers who want style and usability. The Hyundai Tucson operates in the highly competitive compact SUV segment, challenging rivals like the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. Its target audience is design-forward buyers and young families who want maximum feature per dollar value, distinctive styling, and a class-leading warranty. The main highlights for 2026 are the refined exterior, the stunning dual-screen interior, and enhanced hybrid efficiency. The 2026 Tucson subtly refines the parametric dynamics language without losing its aggressive edge. The signature parametric jewel-pattern grille is still present, but has been redesigned to look more mature and polished, lending a mature, polished feel. The iconic hidden daytime running lights are refined, enhancing the futuristic look. In a key change, the rear gets a more traditional yet contemporary look. The previous model's iconic phantom taillights, which were integrated into the blacked-out D-pillar, are gone, replaced by a sleek, full-width LED taillight bar that provides a cleaner, wider appearance. New alloy wheel designs are available, including sportier 18-inch options, and the front and rear bumpers are slightly widened, incorporating decorative skid plates for a touch of ornamental ruggedness. The overall stance is now sharper and more muscular. The interior is where the 2026 Tucson truly impresses. The focal point is the monolithic dual 12.3-inch screen display, combining the fully digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system into one seamless panoramic unit. This setup, previously seen on luxury Hyundai models like the Palisade, is a game-changer for the compact class. Crucially, beneath the screen, Hyundai has wisely integrated a separate control panel with physical buttons and dials for HVAC and audio volume, addressing a common complaint about overly digital cabins.
Materials have been upgraded with soft-touch plastics and refined upholstery, including available quilted high-quality leather seating on limited trims. Comfort tech includes ventilated front seats, a redesigned center console with improved storage, and an available panoramic sunroof. Passenger space remains a massive advantage. The Tucson offers one of the roomiest back seats in the segment, and the cargo area can swallow up to 9 carry-on suitcases behind the second row. Safety is paramount, with the standard ADAS suite getting fine-tuned sensors for smoother operation. The 2026 Tucson offers a versatile and power-optimized powertrain lineup. The base engine remains the proven 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, delivering 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque via an 8-speed automatic. While it's sufficient for daily driving, with a 0 to 60 mph time estimated around 8.8 seconds, it focuses more on quiet, composed driving. Estimated combined mileage is around 28 mpg. The performance choice is the hybrid system, featuring a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder and an electric motor for a potent combined output of 231 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, significantly improving acceleration, estimated 7.2 seconds 0 to 60 mph, and delivering an excellent 38 mpg combined. The range-topping plug-in hybrid, PHEV, uses a larger battery to boost output to an estimated 268 horsepower and offers a critical 32 miles of all-electric range, EPA estimate, achieving 77 mpge combined. Charging the PHEV is quick, taking about 2 hours on a level 2 charger thanks to a 7.2 kilowatt onboard charger. Both hybrid variants feature standard H-Track all-wheel drive. The 2026 Tucson is available in gas, hybrid, and PHEV variants. Expected starting MSRPs are SE Gas, expected to start around $30,800. SEL Gas, starting near $32,150. Hybrid Blue SEL is expected to start around $34,510. Limited Gas tops out at around $40,775. PHEV SEL starting near $41,675. For the best value, we recommend the SEL trim with the premium package for gas or the hybrid SEL convenience. The SEL premium combination unlocks the dual 12.3-inch screens, panoramic sunroof, and advanced safety features, delivering a near-luxury experience for a mid-tier price. The 2026 Tucson is aimed squarely at the Honda CR-V, the Toyota RAV4, and the Kia Sportage. The Tucson stands out with its boldest-in-class design, its superior passenger and cargo volume, and its new, truly luxurious-feeling digital cockpit. No rival at this price point offers a more impressive dual-screen setup. However, the Tucson falls short in terms of base engine performance, where the standard 2.5-liter is noticeably slower than rivals' base turbos. While the hybrid is strong, the RAV4 holds a slight edge in off-road ruggedness with its TRD trim, and the CR-V is still the benchmark for ride smoothness and resale value. The Tucson remains the undisputed champion for style, space, and warranty coverage. The refreshed 2026 Hyundai Tucson is expected to begin arriving in the US and global markets in early 2026. Given the high demand for hybrid crossovers, the hybrid and PHEV variants are likely to be prioritized in production. The 2026 Hyundai Tucson succeeds by refining its looks and elevating its cabin tech to a best-in-class level. Pros: stunning dual-screen interior, excellent space, powerful hybrid and PHEV options, and unique design. Cons: a sluggish base engine and some design choices are still polarizing. Is the new Tucson the perfect blend of style and substance? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to GearFlux Garage, and ring the notification bell for our full drive review.